Hey guys, how are you today? Here's Put It Project, and today we have a new video. How are you today? Also today we have some video from again we have new video from our course HTML course. Today in last video we work with image and tags, and the image and tags is the uh, most learning we learn. And in this video I want to learn to you some many tags for text is and the text these tags they're using for writing text, blog and something like this. This video is very important to learning very well. It's very important we learn, I think so we learn eight tags, very important, the eight of important most important tag in HTML. Let's go. First of all, let's go for doing the homework of last session. Last session I said to you you should create one header with four link. It have also one logo, and you write some text, and you write one HR4 line. Let's go. First of all, we have here HR. We delete this BR, the control exit this logo, we paste it here, and we copy it four times. Here we write home blog code and connect us. Here I linked it to only one page, but you can connect it to 4 page. You can create 4 page and connect it to that. Let's run it. First I disable it and run it again. Okay, it's coming here. We don't learn CSS, so we can't put it very well for creating very well, but you can change the size of this photo with width and height attribute. But in CSS we learn it very most well, and here we don't learn divs. I learn it to you. Divs is make it better. I will learn and make it advancedly. First, we come here. Put it project, HTML course. We write new folder 3. In 3 we come in 3 and write index.html. We write HTML5. Put it project. Okay. First, I want to learn to you one tag. It's using with p. So you should have the p tag last, and then you can create it with pr. Also let's delete these lines. Then I say to you what's used it. It's used for making like this. We write the p tag for the header and the pre tags for the p tag, for example. We can say it like this. We write p, we don't write h1, we write p, and then we write pre, we don't write p. It's not very useless, but it's not bad for learning. Here I write something else. I copied this line, for example. When you see this, you learn it. If I explain to you, you can't learn it very well. But if you see it, sure you can learn it, and you can use it in your programs. And the last one. Okay, go live. Okay, it's used like this. If you focus on it, it's have one more little font, and it's not very big like p tag, but it's not very useless. We write it in very little project. Let's go for the other tag. The other tag is very most important. The next tag I want to tell it to you, it's the B tag. B, make it bold. The tag's bold. Like this. Here we have this for showing to you what's the difference between P and B. I here write B. Here B again. Let's watch it. B. Okay, it's okay. See here, it's the P tag, but it's a big. It's a bold. It's the bold type of the P tag. It's not change. It's not different between P tag and B. It's only make it bold. It's not very. It's not. Doesn't have any different type. Different from the P tag. It's only bold of type. It's one type of the P tag. It's the bold. The next one is the strong tag. It's writing the strong text. We used it for writing the strong text. It's using in the blog. If your blog have very important thing, very important document, you should write it in the strong tag. If it's very important, this document, you should write it in the strong. But these tags very unuseless in HTML5. We use it in HTML3 or HTML5, HTML4. In the HTML5, only italic tag, B tag, mark, and P and headers tag. It's very important. Not strong and PRA and tags like this. But it's used not doesn't have any using, but it's very little use in the programs, in the websites. Strong, is it like BR? I write one BR here. It's very like the B tag, but it doesn't have any difference between B tag and this tag. Also, I should say something here. If here I have h1 or other tags, I should write br here, because it's going to write next of Wikipedia. But if I have PRE, I don't have any BR. It can come to the next line. It's one of the PRE options, we can say. Um, strong. I don't say it very well. I don't speak very in a strong tag because it's not very important. You can use the B. I think so. B is very better for writing. But a strong, we used it in the a strong document in the one weblog. It have a strong document for getting the good SEO. And the next one is the italic. When you I say to italic, you say the italic text in your mind. It's and of course it's true. When you write some text in the I tag, it's meaning italic. But here it's make it italic. BR. But here it's italic now. It's not bold, like a strong and B. It's only italic. It's not very different between these two. It's only italic. And it's good for making beautiful your website. You should learn it and use it in the project. I can say it's used in this website, this page of this web. Like, you should learn this, you should watch it, and you use it in your website. If your website want text make it bold, you use B tag. If one text want to be italic, you use I tag. I can't say to you this tag using in blog, in shopping, in type of websites. I can learn it, and you should do. You should use it in the website and the project. You should use it. Again, BR, and the next one it's the EM. It's make it impression, the text. Let's write it. But I said that in this program we have three tags. It's most important in this part. It's first B, then italic, and the next one is mark. Mark we said in the second in the next tag. It's these three is the most important tags for the making weblogs. This used in the weblogs must. So you should learn it very well if you want to create one good weblog website. But EM, a strong, Dell, PRE, and this used, but it's not very good. It's not very useless in the programs. Again, we paste this and watch it. I can't say it very different between I and EM. But in let's I say the history of this. For example, in HTML1, the programmer the making the HTML, they create the EM, they create the strong, but they come and watch the website. They watch. We can write I. For making italic, the EM make it italic the text, so we write I. It's it's the italic, it's the symbol of the italic, so we write it I. It doesn't have any difference, it doesn't have any other thing, only it's the name. Okay, it they added and they don't disable the IEM. They said it's used but not very well. Okay, we have two more tags. It's not very important. So S strong and B is like them, italic and I it's so like them. It's not very different. It doesn't have any difference. So when you learn the italic, you learn the EM tag. When you learn S strong, you learn also the B tags. Um, this the second one. Let's say the mark. I think so. It's disabled in this mark. Okay, let's write BR. Okay, The mark, it's making the mark test and text. If you have one important text in your document, you should write the mark for make it highlights in your text. And this work is very important for getting good. So you can write it with the background color yellow. But when you use the mark tag, you get better. So for coming to the first search of the YouTube, search of the Google. So you should use the mark for the important tag, important documents in the blog, and you should make it bold with B tag. Also, we have one another text tag. It's named small. Small. Let's watch it. Okay, it's the one of the types of these tags. I learned it to all of this. All are the basically the simple of the simples of this. It's p tag. So the b is the bold type of p. We can say the strong. It's the bold again type of p. The I is the font style italic of the p. Again, EM is the font style italic of the P. The mark is background colored yellow of the P. And the small, its font size is small. This font size, this background color, this font style of the these are the CSS codes. I'll say to you now. These are using all simples of this is P, but they have one they have one different between it's one CSS code. It's this tag, it's have one CSS code in this tag. It's different between P and the small. It's the font size. It's between this difference between P and a small tag is the font size of this. This is big, this is a small. It's not very useless, it's only useless. And the last tag I want to say to you today. And then we save one homework for you. It's the del. Del writing the line on your text. It's important when you want to say the one of things it's incorrect. It's incorrect. You should write it like this. You write one line on your text. So here we have some important tags. One of this is B. This is a B, and the italic. It's almost important. The mark tag it's very important, and also del we can say it important, and you should learn this for tag for today. These are very help you. It's very good to learn it. Okay, I say to you one homework. You should do it for the next session. Today is the Sunday. On Tuesday again we have a video from HTML, and I say to you, your homework is creating a website like last session. It's have a title, it's have a logo, also it's have for a tag for the header, and you should write one HR for making difference between header and your text. And you should write one p tag. In the p tag you should use the mark italic del, and you should going to Wikipedia and find one text. It's important. It have one incorrect text. You should use it del. Also you should use this tag in the p. You should copy this and paste it in the p. So the simple of this is p, and then you should use one text important, make it b, and one text another important, you mark it, and one incorrect text you write del for it. This only. So you should del, you should mark, use the mark and italic in the P. In the P. I say it again, in the P tag. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share my video to your friends. And if you have any question, write the comment your question. I answer to you when I see your comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and goodbye.